superstar. Who's a superstar? Layla's a superstar. I hope you have the best day ever, superstar girl.
Thanks.
I love you.
Love you.
Oh my gosh. Barely made it to school on time today. Today was such a rush because Layla's student of the week. So exciting. She's been looking forward to this. We've been counting down the days. Finally, she's a student of the week, which is so exciting. She got her poster done. It's so cute. She found some things to take that she has. She had a little bag to fill up and she could take 5 things to tell all about her from her bedroom or from around the house, things from home. And also she needed to take up to 10 photos to put around her poster at school. Did I know this and did I plan on printing out pictures? Yes, I did. Did I do that? No, not until this morning that I was like, oh goodness, I didn't do that. And I was up last night literally until 6:30. I couldn't fall asleep until 6:30 this morning. So I could have done it all night, but it didn't even enter my mind until 7:45. And that didn't leave us much time to print off pictures. Plus I needed to go through and find cute pictures from when Layla was a baby until now. Got it done. Thanks to that little printer that I talk about all the time that I use for the advent calendar. We were printing pictures while we were driving to school. Thankfully, we got them all printed off. They're adorable. Oh my gosh, going through those pictures, oh, the memories, and just Layla was such a fun baby and toddler. And I mean, she's a blast now. Like, she's just been so much fun. And so then that made me like feel emotional. And then I was thinking about having the baby, and then that made me emotional, and then it made me a little nervous. And she's like, can I do this? I don't remember how to do this. I don't remember what it's like to have a little baby. But I'm so excited, but just so many emotions. Anyway, we made it. We made it to school. And now I don't know what today's gonna look like because, again, I got 1 hour of sleep. Not even a whole hour of sleep. So I really had a lot of things planned for today because my house is a mess right now. And also I really want to film a pregnancy update. I've done one update this whole pregnancy. It was so good when I was pregnant with Layla. I did them here on my channel, and then with Winston I did them on the mom's view. I've done one so far and we're like counting down. We have 7 weeks. 7 weeks until the baby's here, which is gonna fly by. I know it's gonna fly by so fast. So I plan on doing a pregnancy update, and I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. I'm sure nothing will change at the doctor's appointment at this point. I can feel him moving all day long every day. So I'll hear the heartbeat, which is always great to hear, and just to meet with the doctor. But since I have a C-section, I don't really do much more than that. And thankfully, so grateful. This has been a healthy pregnancy. I've been sick and uncomfortable, but it's been pretty easygoing. So thankfully, there's probably not much that will happen tomorrow, but I do have a checkup, which is exciting. Anyway, I think that I'm gonna go make a little list of things, little updates, and then we'll see how the day goes. But definitely have some cleaning to do today at my bedroom. Oh my gosh, because the baby's gonna be here. Oh, I talked about this cart. I also need to get this finished. I actually need to like wash all of this, but I wanted to see how it fit in the cart. So now I need to take it all out and wash it and then put it back in there. But I just thought that this would be perfect. I'll put it in my room so I'll have everything in there. And I have a little snack tray too that I put together so that I can have that. Then if we need it anywhere else, we can cart it around easily. I'm sure that it will probably stay stationed in there, but I can put more blankets in the little snack tray too. I mostly plan on just having like waters and stuff in the snack tray, but I saw someone make it and I was like, that's a great idea. So I made myself one. I just dropped Winston off at lacrosse. He and Gage both have lacrosse practice tonight. I feel like they're starting very early this year. They're actually doing indoor practices, which is really exciting because they both love playing, and it's nice that they can start in January. So they're gonna be like ready to go for the spring. It's gonna be interesting this year. I've never had a newborn baby and done spring sports. Spring sports in Idaho are freezing cold. Like the weather that we sit through for lacrosse is terrible, but it's been fine because Layla's been bigger since we've been traveling a lot with lacrosse. And so when the weather's bad, we just all cozy up and it's pretty easy. But with a newborn baby, I'm gonna be stressed. I get so much anxiety after I have babies. It's just what I do. Every single one, I've gotten so much anxiety, and I didn't understand that that was the thing, like postpartum anxiety. I heard about like postpartum depression, which, oh my goodness, which I don't feel like I get at all. Aside from having weird anxiety that gives you weird thoughts and things when you have a baby, I'm so happy. Like, I love the newborn stage. I know it's different for everyone, and you should never compare like your feelings with someone else's, because the newborn stage can also be really hard. But for me, I get a lot of anxiety, and the thoughts that come with that anxiety are a little weird and scary and like not realistic. I'm looking for my chapstick. Oh my gosh. Layla got this for me for Christmas. Adorable. Are you cleaning?
Yeah.
Okay, keep on going, girl. Okay.
I want my baby doll.
I know. I'll go check the front porch, okay? I need to show you the baby doll that she's been playing with. It's so hilarious. Oh my gosh, Layla.
What?
Maybe it's here. You want to grab that? I don't know if that's everything. There's a package here. Does it say my name? Make sure. I think these days Casey gets more packages than I do. I was like excited, and then it says Casey's name on it. He gets a lot of hunting stuff, but okay, we'll open this. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Hopefully everything's in there, because I ordered quite a few things in this.
Wait.
This package is not very big.
So
This was supposed to get here before Christmas. I ordered this December 15th. This is one of those dolls that look more lifelike, or it's supposed to be. Go get your other doll that you've been playing with. This other doll that Layla's been playing with is a baby. It was baby Jesus from the Nativity that Laurie did for all the grandkids. And she decided to give it some face tat. Have we tried?
like 3.
You were younger than that when you did this. They're hearts. And
I think I did pretty good.
oh, she's cute. She's definitely doesn't look like the picture, does she?
No.
She's adorable.
And she does have the little hair.
Cute. So some of them have like their whole body feels like more lifelike.
Yeah.
But this one has a
Yeah.
cotton
And
body.
some of them can breathe.
Yeah, some of them could breathe.
She actually looks so
She
real.
is very cute. In the picture, she had a baby. The baby looked
I'm
in
gonna
the
put
picture.
2 little pigtails in her hair tonight.
Yeah, her hair's cute.
Oh my gosh. She kind of looks like a toddler.
Yeah.
I could put her in my baby carrier. I'll just be like,
Yeah. I was obsessed with dolls when I was growing up. I played with dolls until I was in like 8th grade. Maybe not 8th, but I played with dolls for a really long time.
she actually looks like a real baby. Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
Layla still has a lot of her headbands and little bows from when she was a baby. So that will be fun. Once baby brother grows out of some of his things, I bet it will fit her.
Okay, I love her.
She's so cute.
She actually looks like a real baby. I bet Bailey's going to be like,
Oh yeah, you should go show her.
is she upstairs?
Yeah. Well, that was a fun little unboxing. Wasn't planning for that. I feel like the next 7 weeks are going to be full of us telling the little kids how it's going to be with a new baby, because of course Winston doesn't remember. He was only 3, or he turned 3 right after we had Layla, and Layla is the youngest, so they don't really know what it's like to have a new baby. She's the youngest until baby brother gets here. And
So you're gonna have 7 children?
oh my gosh, 7? That would still only be 6. Only 6. Sometimes I'm still just like, I'm gonna have 5 kids. This can't be real. I also feel like preparing me. It's been so long, and I thought that this chapter of my life was closed, and so I just feel like it just hasn't felt real. I don't know, but I definitely need to go over things. And I was just talking to the kids today,
Guys.
because I always tell the kids when we get home from school to like wash their hands and do different things, and I'll tell them and then kind of forget about it. But I'm like, you have to, when you get home, you have to start washing your hands. You have to start putting your shoes by the door. You have to start, changing out of your clothes, because the baby can get sick. And I feel like February is especially the end of February, we're getting into spring. So hopefully a lot of like the colds and different things aren't going to be lingering, but still a little bit, because it doesn't get warm here until May, the end of May. So it's just gonna be a lot of learning for everyone. And today I realized that it's gonna be shocking if we don't start talking about this every so often before the baby gets here. The kids are just gonna be like, what? And I'm gonna be more freaked out, which is not ever gonna be good if I'm like in like panic mode or scared. and then telling them that they need to do those things. So it was a good reminder that we need to start talking about these things. And what a fun way to get ready for a baby, to get a new baby doll.
I don't know how diapers work.
You don't know how diapers work?
No, I've never seen one. Oh, well,
Yeah, there's some over there. We went to Walmart, we looked for more baby stuff, like little baby diapers and stuff, and they didn't have very many things. Anyway, I'm gonna cart this into my room. I did get my room cleaned up today, got things picked up. I didn't get as much deep cleaning done as I needed to do, but that's okay.
Oh, this is so cute.
See, I'll just have this here and then like the bassinet next to my bed. Or I've also been looking at little cribs that go, like just mini cribs that go from kind of like a bassinet because the mattress sits up higher and then it lowers to a crib and then it also turns into a toddler bed. And I thought that that might be really nice because by that time the baby will be in Layla's room and this little cutout is really small. So I was like, how nice would that be if I could get something that fit like right in there? But I don't know if it would. Even having just like a mini crib with a mini like toddler bed, I feel like would be nice for that space. But I just don't know. I also co-slept with all of my kids except for Gage. And I want to do better at sleep training, but will I? I just don't know. So many things that are unknown. We'll figure it out. So exciting that we only have 7 weeks. It's also like, there's so much we need to do and like get ready for physically, mentally, as a family. There's so much that we need to get prepared for. Oh man, we will though. I'm excited. Also, I think that we have a name. I think we have a name. I don't know, but I think so.